In this video, I'm going to show you step by step and a close-up detail on how to change your window wipers on a Nissan Pathfinder. This happens to be a 2014, and we have a 26-inch wiper on the driver's side and a 17-inch on the passenger side. So let's go ahead and get started. With the driver's side first, once you lift the arm up, just kind of rotate the blade so that it's perpendicular. And then you see this little tab right here? You're just going to pull that out or away from the arm, like that, and then slide the window wiper down towards the arm. Just bend this out of the way, rotate slightly, and then pull it out just like that. The nice thing about these wiper blades, we don't need to change this interlocking mechanism out. This hook is kind of the more popular style of wiper arm. So when you get new wipers, they'll have all different kinds of adapters, but we don't need to change anything out on these. So you can see this kind of rocks back and forth. Push down right here so this lifts up a little bit. That's going to go right inside there. And then just kind of pull your wiper arm this way and it will snap into place. And then you just kind of rotate it, give it a little tug, and make sure that it's in place. Your new wiper will come with this protector on it. So just go ahead and slide that off. All that's on there for is protect the blade. You can go ahead and discard this. Then just rotate your wiper blade back down. Now that one's installed, we'll go ahead and do the same thing on the passenger side. And that's all there is to it, guys. Just give yourself about 15 minutes to get these changed out, and I suggest you do it once a year. I'll put links in the description how to get these off of Amazon. Have them show up at your doorstep in 1 to 2 days. Thanks for watching.